This is a 1970 R75/5. I just renovated it, did a top end, the clutch, all the brakes, cables, paint, pipes, seat, new instrument panel, new this, new that. So it's all on the listing. It's only got about 100 miles since, well no, let me see, this one has about 25 miles since the renovation. I'm going to go around here so you can get an idea. I got it out in the sun for you. The shocks are all rebuilt, new tires, period tires. I used a lot of stainless steel on it, so you don't have to worry about any nuts and bolts ever rusting. It's got a new sealed battery. So we had this down basically to the cases and the frame. I mean, we had it down to the frame, and we had the frame powder coated. It's got the new instruments. New headlight rim, new rubbers, forks are all rebuilt, the brakes are all rebuilt, new exhaust system, new pipes, new everything, new piston rings, new valve job. I'll start it up here also so you can hear it basically. These things have a key on top that you press in. You also turn this key left and then right for the lights to go on. High and low beamer here. The horns here, the directionals up and down here. Very quiet. Yeah, these bikes are known for longevity. This is, it's got a new horn on it there too. All new points. Oh, I got a booster on it too. I put boosters on all the spark, get lots of spark out of it. It's kind of cold right now, but it's a great road bike, great two-up bike, and a classic. So it's just going to go up in value. All right, thanks a lot.